guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use this new agent, which is Harbor. So he is a controller from India, and I think he was released like a few days ago. I'm not quite sure actually. So what this is, okay, this slows people. This is the C one. It like slows people when you're in the wave. So you're going to press it, and you can stop it when you press C again, I think, if I'm not mistaken. You can like stop it there, and it slows people. And this kind of covers when like you want to plant a spike. So it covers it. So like if you shoot it, it's going to go off though. And see, I have to like really shoot it to do that if I'm very close. Also, it's faster if you use a knife, I think. I don't know. Some people say that, but I don't know if it's true. Now, the E is just like a wall. As you can see, you can kind of rotate it. So maybe if you're like here, you can rotate it like that, like what he's doing. So just do that to like rotate. Oh. Okay. And this is what the ult does. So it's basically like this, and you can like ult a whole site with it. So as you can see, he's covering this area and this. This is what the ult does. It stuns you. I think you can like not be hit by it, but if you just move around. This is what will happen though if you get stunned. But you can try to run from it. And I'm just going to try to ult the site. So move your like mouse around and then ult site like this. And then he gets stunned. And that's pretty much how you can use Harbor, honestly. It's super simple, I think. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. There's also a thanks button if you found this video helpful on like the description box, I think, or above that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!